Have you ever watched two babies side by side and wondered why one is already sprinting around the room while the other is still figuring out how knees work? In the next 2 minutes, you are going to understand exactly why, and spoiler alert, your DNA has a lot to answer for. Welcome to Easy Genetics. Let us get into it. Here is the key insight. Every child is born with a unique instruction manual written in their DNA. And just like how some IKEA furniture comes together in 20 minutes, while other pieces have you crying on the floor at midnight, some developmental instructions run fast and some run slow. That is completely normal. Think about it this way. Your genes control the timing of when your brain and muscles connect and communicate. Scientists call this developmental timing, and it is heavily influenced by genetics. Studies on twins show that identical twins who share nearly all their DNA tend to hit milestones like walking and talking at almost the same age, even when raised apart. Fraternal twins who share only about half their DNA show much more variation. That is, your genes doing the heavy lifting. But here is where it gets weird. It is not just one gene calling the shots. Hundreds of genes work together like a very complicated group chat where everyone is typing at once and nobody can agree on the plan. Some genes affect muscle development. Others shape how fast the brain builds connections. And a few genes influence how quickly a child processes sounds, which is huge for learning to talk. The wild part is that environment plays a co-starring role too. A child who hears lots of conversation tends to talk sooner. A child with lots of safe floor space to crawl tends to walk sooner. Genes load the gun, but the world around you pulls the trigger. And here is the aha moment. Early or late does not mean better or worse. Einstein reportedly did not speak until age 3. He turned out okay. Your genes set your personal timeline, not a universal deadline. So the next time someone panics because their toddler is not walking on schedule, remind them that evolution spent millions of years perfecting this process, and your kid is just reading the instructions at their own pace, which honestly is very relatable. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Genetics for more easy to understand genetics videos. Next time, we are asking a question that will genuinely mess with your head. Can your lifestyle choices actually change the genes you pass on to your kids?